2024 Toyota Corolla, and this one is equipped with the dealer add-on GPS tracker. I don't think it's a very good dealer add-on accessory. Okay, I don't think it's worth the money at all, and I'm gonna show you why. If you're a thief, you can go ahead and disable these trackers super easy. First of all, you want to know if the car that you're stealing even has a tracker. It's going to have a sticker like this, usually a white sticker, and you'll see something with an FCC number on it, okay? ID number. All right, I don't want to show you any information here, but if you see a little white sticker like this is a factory sticker. This is a factory sticker. I don't know what this is. I'm not even looking at it, but if you see one of these, it's got a tracker in it. So these are usually installed like complete crap, and you can normally just take them out super fast. So if we look under the dash, this is where all the dealers are putting them now, and we can see a wire right here. And if we go ahead and grab this, let me see here, zoom out a little bit, and go ahead and start pulling away. Let's see what we got here. Here's my GPS tracker right here. Ooh, wow, this thing's hidden so good. It's just two wires. It's a power and a ground. You can see it's just connected to that bolt there, and this is connected to probably the OBD power source. And if you want to just go ahead and disable the tracker, all we gotta do is unplug it and go throw this down the street, all right? We are done, all right? So I did all that in about 10 freaking seconds, or you can just pull the wires and it's totally gone. There you go. So, GPS tracker add-on, dealer add-on, no good.